One of the questions we are asked most often is, what is the secret to success? What is the magical formula that can make someone successful in Forever and help them achieve their goals? The answer is, of course, that there is no secret. Instead, those who are successful in Forever follow 5 very simple steps. 1. Use the products. 2. Share the products. 3. Sponsor every month. 4. Be 4cc active. 5. Qualify for every incentive. Use the products. The foundation of your business is built on product. Be your own best customer. Using the products helps develop your knowledge and gives your recommendations credibility because you have personal experience. Try adding 1 new product to each personal order you place so you can continue to experience the benefits of all the products Forever has to offer. Share the products. It's in our nature to share good things, like a film you enjoyed or your favorite restaurant. Sharing Forever's products personally will help you build a successful retail business. Many top leaders recommend developing a customer base of around 20 to 30 customers that reorder regularly. Developing a customer is as simple as understanding their health and wellness needs and recommending products that can help support their goals. Sponsor every month. Sharing the Forever opportunity and introducing new contacts and your customers to the Forever marketing plan is a fundamental part of success in Forever. Sponsoring new FBOs into your business each month will help you build a wide, strong base for your business and help you lead your team by example. Be 4cc active. Being active is the key to unlocking the true earning potential of the marketing plan. Team leading bonuses, key incentives like Global Rally, Chairman's Bonus, and Eagle Manager all start with being 4cc active. Being active ensures that you are building a diversified pipeline into your business by experiencing the products personally and sharing them. Qualify for every incentive. The incentives in the Forever marketing plan were developed to help you achieve your goals. By working toward the Forever incentives, you are building a strong, stable business and completing all the activities needed to be successful long-term. Incentives like Chairman's Bonus, Global Rally, and Eagle Manager's Retreat also offer additional benefits like global travel, networking, and bonuses that allow you to experience all the business has to offer. The secret to success at Forever is no secret at all. It's a series of 5 simple things that can make all the difference. Use the products, share the products, sponsor, be 4cc active, and qualify for every incentive. What are you waiting for?